Okay, so you get your frame with a mat board already in there. And what we're going to show you today is how to put an image inside the mat board. So you turn your frame upside down, you open your tabs, you take your backing board out, you take your mat board out and lay it on the side here, and then you take your acrylic out and you peel it. Just be careful when you're peeling this. Just take your time with it. So you just peel it like that. This is just a protection for the acrylic glass. You've got to peel both sides. I've already done the other side, so you've got to peel both sides. Okay. So you put your acrylic back in, and you get your image, and you put it face up. Your mat board is also face up. So what we do is we recommend acid-free tape. So you have the sticky side up, and you just place it like that with your image facing upwards. And let's get another piece around about 5 centimeters long. And you cut that, and again, sticky side up. Put it in there, then you bring your mat board. The reason we do it upside down is so you can see exactly where you want your mat board. So you would put it like that, and you're happy with that. Put that down. That's as simple as it is. And then you put that in, and you put your backing board in as well. Put your tabs down so that it's nice and tight. And there you are, you're good to go.